Once upon a time in a sunny little village, there lived a cheerful girl named Hafsa. She had bright twinkling eyes and a heart full of curiosity. Hafsa loved to explore the world around her, always searching for new adventures. One day, as she wandered through a colorful garden, she heard a soft mewing sound. Intrigued, she followed the sound until she stumbled upon a fluffy orange cat with bright green eyes. "Hello there," Hafsa said, kneeling down. "What's your name?" The cat looked up at her, tilting her head. "Meow!" "I'm Bella," she replied in her own special way, purring softly. Hafsa was delighted. "Would you like to be my friend?" she asked, her eyes sparkling with excitement. Bella rubbed against Hafsa's leg, and from that moment on, they became the best of friends. Each day after school, Hafsa would rush to the garden to meet Bella. They would play hide and seek among the flowers, chase butterflies, and share stories about their day. Hafsa would tell Bella about her school, her dreams, and her favorite books while Bella would listen intently, purring with joy. One sunny afternoon, as they played near the pond, Hafsa noticed Bella looking a bit worried. "What's wrong, Bella?" she asked, kneeling beside her friend. Bella pointed her paw towards a tall tree where a little bird was chirping frantically. "Meow!" she exclaimed, her eyes wide. Hafsa understood. The bird had fallen from its nest. "We have to help," she said, determination shining in her eyes. Together, Hafsa and Bella approached the tree. Hafsa climbed carefully, reaching for the frightened bird. With a gentle touch, she placed it back in its cozy nest. The mother bird swooped down, chirping happily. Hafsa beamed with pride. "We did it, Bella. We saved the little bird." Bella purred in agreement, rubbing her head against Hafsa's hand. From that day on, they became not just friends but partners in adventure, always ready to help those in need. As the sun set, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, Hafsa and Bella sat side by side, watching the world around them. They knew that together, they could overcome anything, and their friendship was the greatest adventure of all. And so, Hafsa and Bella continued to explore, learn, and grow together, their hearts forever intertwined.